Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking FX. Let's talk about yen futures. We had a 2-week peak today. The yen reached its highest level in the last 2 weeks before pulling back, getting up to 90.62, and then pulling back basically to the flat line of 9,000. 90.07 is where we ended up on the day. A pretty strong 3 to 3.5 day move on the upside for the yen. We had hit the lowest levels of the year for the most part 3 days ago, just short of the 2018 lows for the yen, and then rallied for 3 days straight, with Friday being the strongest. Today again opened up and rallied higher on the yen futures and then pulled back to near unchanged and toward the end of the day. Story going through about BOJ policy, a report in Reuters suggesting that a pullback of the stimulus that the BOJ has been involved in is imminent, that they're discussing it, considering some of the stronger data that Japan has had. Wasn't really confirmed or denied by anyone at the BOJ or anyone within the Japanese government, but that story did make the rounds, helping to push the yen early. And then a lot of analysts came out and said that that wasn't really likely, again helping in that pullback that we saw later in the day. Another thing contributing to the bid is we had essentially back and forth news and Twitter threats between leaders in Iran and President Donald Trump, causing a little bit of a safe haven bid to the yen as well. Overnight, Iranian officials said that peace with Iran is the mother of all peace and war with Iran is the mother of all war, and referencing the U.S., asking President Trump not to play with the lion's tail. President Trump responded with an all-caps tweets saying that they would suffer consequences, that the U.S. wasn't prepared to tolerate this kind of behavior or this kind of chatter anymore. And that again contributed to a safe haven bid in the yen. The yen is a safe haven currency along with the Swiss franc and along with gold, both of which saw rallies as well early on and then hence pulled back. But that safe haven bid didn't really go away. It just kind of helped keep that bid to the yen, helped keep it near unchanged. The talk of this leading to any sort of an armed conflict really died down as the day went on. Overall, a pretty low volume day in all of the major markets, including currencies and including the Japanese yen. This is Bob Iaccino talking yen futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.